Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, let's skip over this because I'll be talking about it in a upcoming video. But anyway, let's talk about this look. So today I am doing a second look using the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. I only used 3 shades in it this time. 3 simple shades to create this beautiful rosy pink eye color. You guys had kind of told me to go ahead and pick whatever eye color tutorial I wanted to do next, so I want something pinkier. In honor of my new reddish hair. It'll be a little bit more red in the near future, I promise. It's gonna slowly fade lighter as it dries out. That's not the right wording. Anywho, if you guys enjoy seeing these tutorials from me and you enjoy seeing reviews on collections like the Desi and Katy collection, be sure you are subscribed down below, hit that button, and also hit that notification bell that's right next to it, so that way you guys don't miss a single video that I upload here on my channel. And let's go ahead and dive into this tutorial, shall we? And that is the end of it, guys. That is it. Here is the finished final look. A very simple, glamorously glitzy, wet looking eyelid. I love this the shade in here, Just a Kiss, might be my new favorite shade I've ever played with. It reminds me a lot of one of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows I used to use ages ago in Alchemy Glitterati. It was one of those I was really obsessed with for a very long time. It reminds me a lot of it. But anyway, and I did 2 more of the lip colors in the collection from last time. And as I said in the beginning, make sure you guys are subscribed down below if you enjoy these kinds of videos from me. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, give it a thumbs up, because I use the thumbs up to know what you guys enjoy seeing in videos from me. And down below, tell me, what should I have you guys tell me down below? I always give you something to comment on down below. Tell me the holiday collection that you guys are most excited for. Because I'm looking into stuff that I want to purchase from Ulta and Sephora during the holiday season. So tell me down below what you guys are big fans of and what you would love to see me do a review on, so I can keep it in the back of my mind for when I'm purchasing holiday kits. So tell me that down below. And as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!